those who want me to join, like to join my channel, you can join membership. Russell Baxter. Aloha, good morning. Hello, Russell Baxter. You're from what? Hello, Prince Daryl Katakutan. Wow, hi, hello. You got help. Please subscribe also to my hype. Shout out po to Prince Daryl Katakutan. You're from? Shout out sa you, Prince Daryl. Thank you for coming live, for sharing your time here. I'm live watching my live. Thank you so much. I just text the promise and then you make bro. To India. Oh, shout out. Saan bang lugar mo ngayon? Oh, nandito ko sa Dapitan, sa probinsya ng Zamboanga del Norte. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Masakit na yung mata ko sa kakatutok sa camera, guys. It's so, my eyes. I feel so good. Thank you. If you gotta show more, I have the my Patreon. You can see more there, but you will join membership. You can see me more. Mm-mm. Wala. Hindi ako sa Manila. Dito sa Mindanao. Sa Mindanao lang ako. I'm from Mindanao. Listen, hello guys. Pa-subscribe and also do I make a video content if you have time? Yes. By you, can I ask you where you from? Nikki Panty, oh my god. No. It's not here. You can see on some on my Patreon. I have link there. You can follow me on my Patreon. Just really promise. You call me and you show something, so I block you. Guys, my live is only 30 minutes. We got 27 minutes. I'll have 2 minutes more to go before this secret trip. You can go there. But no live there. Oh my gosh. Queen of the night. You have paid blogs? Yeah, I have paid blogs. Paid blog is on my Patreon. So what you get? I introduced the Patreon account. So be a member and also be a member to my channel here in YouTube, and also there's a super chat, super sticker. I hope someday you avail my super chat and super sticker. Sa hindi ako sa Cotabato. Nandito ako sa may Dipolog. Malapit siya sa Dapitan. Dipolog Dapitan. Is near from Osamis, pang ganyan. Osamis, EPL, what you call this, Pagadian. Just like that. Near from that place. Malapit dyan. Philippines. I said Philippines. Get on all. Oh, 6